Hello dear student, today I am going to describe about how to create a report from a table and how to create a form from a table and what is the difference between form and report. So with concentration you will see the video. This is completely a practical class. You will concentrate in this class. So student, I have opened one database. The name of the database you can see database class 8A. Suppose this is a database of class 8A student and I have created a table. The name of the table is student 8A and you can see there are 5 records or 5 rows in the table. First row is for Omik is a student, second row, third row, fourth row and fifth row. There are total 5 records or rows in the table. So now I want to create a form based on this table. So first, to create the form we will go to create tab, then we will go to forms group and then we will click on form wizard. Then one form wizard will be opening. Here you can see that the already created table name is coming and all the table fields are coming. This is the table part and right side this is the form part. So by clicking double greater than symbol you can bring all the fields from the table into the form. Then click on the next button. Now you can select the layout of the form. I am selecting the tabular layout of the form. Then you click on next. Now you have to give a name. I am giving a name student 8A underscore form 1. So this is the name of the form. Now I am clicking on the finish button. You can see a form is displayed here with the name of the form is in the navigation pane. You can see the name of the form is reflected in the navigation pane and the form is here. Why form is created and what is form? Form is the layout of a table. Form is a different representation of a table. Why form is used? A form is used to change and modify data in the table. If you access the original table, it is a matter of the security because the table contains data and data is valuable. So database administrator wants that the organization table and organization database should be safe, secured. So a organization and database administrator will not allow to access the original table. So this type of form will be created based on the table. Now if you want to modify, change the data, you can change the data on the form and you will see that change is made in the original table also. So now you can see the third student name is Binoy here and in the form the third student name is Binoy. So now I'm changing the name. Suppose I'm here writing Bidesh is the name of the student and I'm changing the roll mark like 79 and I'm clicking on the form tab and I'm saving the form. Now you can see roll number 3, the name has been changed to Bidesh and the mark is changed to 79. Now you see here in the table, you can see in the table also the roll number 3 student name has been changed into Bidesh and his mark is also changed into 79. So you can see that if you change some data in the form, that change will be reflected in the original table automatically. So this is why a form is created. So this is a part. This is why a form is created. Now I'm creating a report. See properly. So create a report, you click on the create menu. Now in the create menu, you can see reports group is there. In this reports group, you click on report wizard and in the report wizard you can see the already created table name is given, that is student 8A, and the table fields are given. So you have to include the table field from the table into the report. So you can see that this part is the table part and right side part is the require part, report part. So you click on the double greater than symbol. You can see all the fields are included from the table into your report. Now click on next part. You can see all the fields are already included. Now you click on the next part. Now in the report you have to select some fields and you have to mention the ordering. That means you have to select, suppose I am selecting roll number, in which order you want to show the roll number, in ascending order. If you click descending order, you can see if it is ascending order, if you click it is descending order. So if you click on ascending order, then the roll number will be displayed in ascending order in report. Now class, I'm selecting ascending order. Now suppose section you are selecting, section will be displayed in ascending order, and then mark also will be in ascending order. So if you go back, you can see that these things you took, and after that again you go to next, you can see this part, and then you have added this. So now you have set the fields with the order, and based on these orders this field data will be displayed. Now you click next. Now which layout you will select? Tabular you can select. Now you can select portrait or landscape. In this part of report wizard there are two options, layout and orientation. Now you can see, you can select the layout as tabular or orientation, portrait or landscape. I am selecting portrait. So go to the next. Now you have to give the name of the report. I am giving the name student 8A underscore report 1. This name I am giving, and then I am clicking on the finish button. You can see the report is shown and the report name is displayed in the navigation pane. And you can see in the report you cannot change or modify any data. You can only do one thing, you can only minimize or maximize the report. You can see you can only minimize or maximize the report, but you cannot change the data in the report. So this is the basic and fundamental difference between a report and the form. In the form you could change data, you could modify the data, and that change will be reflected in the original table. So you can tell a form is a representation of a table. A form is a layout of the table data where we can change and modify the data. For that reason form is created. But report is the final data representation of a table. A report is made to give the final output of a table data to the organization to make the decision. So this is the form, this is the report, and form. In the form you can modify, you can change data. In the report you cannot change or modify data. And remember, form or report, these or table, these are called object of database, and form, report will be created based on a particular table. So this much for today. Thank you, student.